Hello, I'm Virginia Gloria Najiki. My matrix number is 20DK821F1065. This is DBM 20032. Our lecturer is Madam Hasnita binti Bujang. Today, our group member will present about application of differentiation in Chapter 2.
Hello, my name is Claudelika Natagong from DKA to C. My matrix number is 20DKA21F1068.
Hello, my name is Nathanael Salolisut. I'm from DKA2C. My number metric is 20DKA21F1025.
Next, I will present about introduction differentiation. What is differentiation in maths? Differentiation in calculus can be applied to measure the function per unit change in the independent variable. In mathematics, differentiation can be defined as a derivative of a function with respect to an independent variable. Let y over fx be a function of x, then the rate of change of y per unit change in x is given by dy over dx. If the function fx undergoes an infinitesimal change of hash near to any point x, then the derivative of the function be defined as f in bracket x plus hash minus f in bracket x over hash. The next slide is differentiation rulers. Sum or different ruler. If the function is sum or difference of two functions, the derivative of the function is the sum or difference of the individual function. If f in bracket x equal u in bracket x plus v in bracket x, then f prime in bracket x plus v prime in bracket x.
Alright, thank you, Claudia. Next is product rule. As per the product rule, if the function f bracket x is product of two functions u bracket x and v bracket x, the derivative of the function is if f bracket x equal to u bracket x times v bracket x, then f prime bracket x equal to u prime bracket x times v bracket x plus u bracket x times v prime bracket x. And the next is quotient rule. If the function of f bracket x is in the form of two functions u bracket x slice v bracket x, the derivative of the function is if f bracket x equal to u bracket x over v bracket x, then f prime bracket x equal to u prime bracket x times v bracket x minus u bracket x times v prime bracket x over 2v bracket x 2. Now I will give the turn to Nathaniel.
Thank you, Virginia Gloria. Give me time to explain the chain rule. Chain rule. If a function y equal f bracket x equal g bracket u, and if u equal hash bracket x, then the chain rule for differentiation is defined as dy dx equal dy over du times du over dx. This play a major role in the method of substitution that help to perform differentiation of composite function. Then, real-life application of differentiation. With the help of differentiation, we are able to find the rate of change of one quantity with respect to another. Some of the examples are acceleration, rate of change of velocity with respect to time, Then to calculate the highest and lowest point to the curve in a graph, or to know its turning point, the derivative function is used. And then to find tangent and normal to a curve. Thank you. Now I give slide to Claudia.
Thank you, Nathaniel. So now I want to explain how to solve the problem. This is problem 1 and I will explain for the step 1. First, equal 1 plus 2 in bracket 8 x squared minus 1 minus 3 in bracket 4 x cubic minus 1 equal 1 plus 60x minus 12 square x equals 60x minus 12x squared.
Step 2. At the stationary point, dy over dx will be equal to 0. For example, dy over dx equal 4x bracket 4 minus 3x equal to 0 will be 4x equal 0 and x equal to 0, or 4 minus 3x equals 0 and it will be negative 3x equal to 4. X equal to negative 4 over negative 3, and the final answer is x 1.333. Now I will give the turn to Nathaniel.
Thank you, Virginia. Give me time to explain the step 3. So in step 3, we want to find y. When x equals 0, y is equal 1 plus at x square root minus 4x cube, or x cube. So 1 plus at bracket 0 square root minus 40 cubes equal y equal 1. The answer is 1. And then when x equal 1.333, so the example is y equal 1 plus 8 bracket 1.333 square minus 4 1 minus 4 bracket 1.333 cube. 1 plus 8 bracket 1.776 at 9 minus 4 bracket 2.368593.037. Where did we get this? Answer is because we do this one. Then we got this same as this one. 1.33 cube equal the same as 2.33336 equal same as 2.36 at 593037. Now we go so far again. So 1 plus 1 plus 14.215112 minus 9.4743237214. This one we got from 8 times 1.77. This one we got at uh, we get is in 8 times 1.77, 6 at 9. And this one we get 4 times 2.3685933037. So this is the answer. The answer is 517407. So we forgot one here because we do this and there is a plus one. Yes, so the answer is 5.701. Thank you. Now I give the slide to Claudia.
Thank you, Nathaniel. So now I want to explain for step 4. In step 4 is I want to explain for 8 point in bracket 0 and 2. First, dy over dx equals 60x minus 12x squared. D square y over dx equals 60 minus 24x. D equal y over dx equal d square y over dx equals 60 minus 24 in bracket 0 equals 60 bigger than 0 in bracket means. This is a 8 point for 5 for 1 5.732. First, dy over dx equal 60x 12x equal 60 minus 24x. D square y over dx equal 60 minus 24 in bracket 1 equal minus x smaller than 0 in bracket max.
Alright, thank you, Claudia. Next is step 5. First, we have to find x-intercept when y equal to 0. For example, y equal 1 plus x squared minus 4x cubic. Then we have to change y to be 0. 0 equal to 1 plus x squared minus 4x cubic. Then the answer for x1 is 2.06 and x2 is negative 0.029 and x3 is negative 0.029. The second step is we have to find y-intercept when x equal to 0. Y equal 1 plus x bracket 0 minus to 4 bracket 0, then the final answer is y equal to 1.
Thank you, Virginia Gloria. Give me a chance again to explain about the rate of change. Rate of change formula. The rate of change function is defined as the rate at which one quantity is changing with respect to another quantity. In simple terms, in the rate of change, the amount of change in one item is divided by the corresponding amount of change in another. Let us learn about the rate of change formula with a few examples in the end. What is the rate of change formula? The rate of change formula gives the relationship describing how one quantity changes in relation to the change in another quantity. The rate of change from the coordinate of y to coordinate of x can found out as y over x equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. For a linear function, the rate of change m is represented in the slope intercept from for a line y equal mx plus b, whereas the rate of change of function is otherwise defined as f bracket b minus f bracket a over b minus a. Thank you. Now I give the slide to Claudia.
Thank you, Nathaniel. So now I want to explain for the problem 2. Okay, in the problem 2 is the brace radius equal 5 centimeters, increase 0.7 centimeters one height equal 6 centimeters. So now I want to explain how to change of the volume. Okay, first dy over the air equal 0.7 centimeters equal 157.08 x 0.7 equal 109.956 centimeters. Next, v equal 1 over 3 in bracket 5 square 6. V equal 157.079 centimeters. The change of volume is equal 109.956 centimeters.
Alright, thank you, Claudia. Next is the conclusion of rate of change is through the completion of this project, you will have gained from understanding of derivative. You will know how to set up and solve rate of change equation using derivative. Your reflection will be a basis for your preparation and studies for the day in which you will take your own AP Calculus exam. Writing reflection is a skill that should be continued beyond this lesson. Alright, that's all from us. Thank you.